You've heard keto is the ultimate fat loss diet. You've heard carnivore fixes everything. But here's the problem: most people are doing them wrong. And worse? They're blaming the diet when it's their approach that's failing them. Today I'll cut through the hype to show you exactly which diet, keto or carnivore, is right for your body, your goals, and your health struggles. Let's settle this once and for all. The real difference. Most people think keto and carnivore are about eating more fat or ditching plants. But the real difference comes down to 3 make-or-break factors. Carb tolerance. Keto allows 20-50 g of carbs from veggies or nuts. Carnivore? Near zero. If you're insulin resistant or over 40, you might need to go full carnivore to see results. Inflammation. Plants like nuts and nightshades can trigger joint pain and bloating. If keto isn't working, it's not the diet, it's the plants in your diet. Autoimmune conditions. Studies show carnivore crushes autoimmune flare-ups by removing plant toxins, lectins, oxalates. If you have Hashimoto's or IBS, this is game-changing. The biggest mistake. Here's the ugly truth: companies are lying to you. Keto labels on junk food are a scam. If your keto diet looks like this, you're not doing keto. You're eating glorified candy. Real keto? Whole foods. Real carnivore? Just meat and salt. Anything else is negotiating with failure. Sarah, a 42-year-old with Hashimoto's and chronic fatigue, struggled for a year on a perfect keto diet, loading up on nuts, veggies, and keto snacks. Despite her efforts, she plateaued at 50 pounds overweight, with crippling joint pain and CRP inflammation markers at 8.2. Her turning point? Switching to carnivore. Within 30 days of eating only beef, salt, and water, her pain vanished. By day 90, she'd lost 38 pounds and her CRP dropped to 1.1. The culprit? Oxalates and lectins in her healthy keto plants were silently fueling inflammation. The lesson. Sarah's story reveals a harsh truth: keto fails when hidden plant toxins or processed keto foods sabotage progress. Her labs proved what worked, removing all plants. If you're stuck on keto, ask yourself, could your healthy foods be the problem? For autoimmune sufferers like Sarah, carnivore isn't extreme, it's essential. Which diet wins? So which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Keto if you're new to low carb and want flexibility. Will you tolerate veggies/nuts well, no bloating, rashes? Your goal is weight loss, not autoimmune healing. Carnivore if you've plateaued on keto or still feel inflamed. Have any autoimmune or gut issues, eczema, arthritis, etc. You want simplicity, no counting macros, just eat meat. Your 30-day challenge. Ready to test it? Here's your plan. Days 1 to 30. Clean keto, only whole foods, meat, eggs, greens, avocado. Days 31 to 60. If no progress, switch to carnivore, beef, salt, water. Reintroduce, after 60 days, add 1 keto food at a time, e.g., nuts, dairy, and track symptoms. This isn't guesswork. It's science. Your body will tell you which diet works, if you listen. Look, diets fail when we treat them like religions. Keto and carnivore are tools. Use the right one for your body. Try the 30-day challenge, then comment below which diet worked better for you.